Hello there and welcome to the channel. I hope you're keeping safe and well. Well, in this Logic video I'm just going to go through left and right locators, so why don't we just dive into Logic and have a look now. Okay, so here we are in Logic, and the track's too long really. The last chorus is way too long, so I want to do something about this. Okay, so let's just have a quick listen to this last chorus. Okay, so I think there's at least 8 bars I think we can cut out of this chorus. So I'm just going to highlight those 8 bars that I think I need to remove. Click left right locators and the audio will now skip past those 8 bars. The solid yellow cycle box you can see is just outlined, so you know that the tool's engaged. So it's just skipped those 8 bars right to the outro part of the song. And again, I think that we should go straight to that last chord, which is the E chord. It's way too long, this outro. Okay, so quickly let's see what that would sound like. Okay, so that just gives me a sense of what the song would sound like. So before I start cutting up the song and splicing the parts back together again, I would use Project Alternatives anyway, just to be safe rather than sorry. It gives me an idea of what the song would sound like. Okay, to get that icon on your control bar, just go Custom Control Bar and Display, and there you have it there. Just turn it on. Okay, so I'm planning a few more of these short videos just on basic functions of Logic, so please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon, and thank you for watching.